today's video I am talking about dictionary. So dictionary is a built-in data structure that provided by Python language, and it's a most powerful data type in Python. So use headphones for better quality of audio. And today code is look like this कि if you really do something you will find a way, if you don't you will find an excuse. So it's really right everyone, if you really do something in your life so you will find a way to do the work, otherwise you will make an excuse to drop the work. So in as per every video rule, first we see the definition and then after go to IDE shell. So what is a dictionary? So dictionary is a Python is an unordered collection of items. Each items in a dictionary has a key value pair. The key must be unique with the dictionary and it is used to access the corresponding value. Dictionaries are defined using the curly braces. I hope you understand the most simple definition ever you seen about the dictionary. And now IDE पे चलते हैं and then write a code and understand the basic fundamental about dictionary. So first with the help of curly braces I can create empty dictionary. And if I check the type of this, so I can get dictionary. Class is dictionary. So dict is a keyword that define the dictionary. So I can also create dictionary with my key and values like this. If you first is your key and with the like keys look like this, and then you use the colon and assign the value of key, like value of key is pro, and you can create one more key on it like this. Gender of person is male. So what happens when I print this? So it easily created the value. So how to access the value? So there is a one important point ki there is no indexing. Uh, there is no indexing in Dict. So it's a important everyone कि if you try to do indexing so you can get any value, you can get an error. So how can I define it? I just write a code about this and I will get an error because key error. Okay, on how to access the value on it if the indexing are not in dictionary. So with the help of key I can get any type of value. Like if I give gender, so what I get male. So with the help of keys out you can access the values of key. So one more thing about dictionary is this key 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 is must be unique. So why I'm saying key must be unique? Because of something like this key. If I create copy this and like this, and I just write the value. I I say key must be unique, but I represent two key values with the same name, like person and person. So what do you think, guys? If I print this and if I using why this give me a male and not pro? Because Python think कि I update the value of male, so that's a reason कि your key must be unique. So this is the way to create the key, and we can use some del function to delete the key. Like I want to delete this, so I just use del keyword, and when I d, so d is not defined. So friends, like I want to create something with the help of, no, I just copy my code from the upper like this and change the value here. Change the value here. What the value is here? Now it's a gender, sorry, gender is male. So if I want to add something in this dictionary, so with the help of indexing I can easily, with the help of key and the value, I can easily add anything on this like this. If I want to add something like name हो गया, gender हो गया, what I want to add, I want to add the age. Now with the help of this I can easily add like this. Now d and the age and the value of age is add very easily with the help of this method. I can also how to get, so get is a method to get anything with the help of value. So d dot get is the method. What I want to get, I want to get person. So what I get a, I get an okay, okay, I understand this. Built-in function or method are not substituted. Sure. So I use something, operations, like operations, operations in dictionary. So what's the operation we can perform very easily in a dictionary? So d dot clear is a function. With the help of this I can clear my d. Now there is only empty disk available now, so I can again create a d. Just use some another function, like what function, with the help of pop function. So I can get error pop except arguments. I forget the giving the arguments on it. D dot pop, nahi, I can give one as d dot key is the method. With the help of this key, key and keys, what I get, did you mean key, keys and keys, okay. With the help of this I can write like this. D dot keys is the method to access the key. Like there is only two keys are available, gender and person, and one more method. With the help of this I can get the value, values, values of it, like pro and male. And what I think, if I want to get keys and value together, so I just create a loop for it. I for I in d, for I in d, print I, print I, and then d. So I just enter it and I can get gender, person, everything, key and the values, key and the values. Why two times? Because of why, okay, there are two values, gender and person, randomly. So this is the methods we can use in dictionary. We see ki how to create a empty dictionary, and with the help of time function we can see ki what's a type of my variable, and we can create perfect dictionary. With the help of indexing, there is no value is appear, so we can get the value with the help of keys. And we apply some function, we apply for loop and while loop. Friend, these are the simple. Now one more thing I want to share with you, I think I just forget it. I just check here how to modify the modifying the values. Okay, this function we can use with the help of modifying the value. Like if I want to, first I just create this, and like this, if I want to modify the value, with the help of key, so I write like this, d dot person. I want to change the value person, I want to change the value person to pro 2. Now what I want to get, like Nikhil, 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 I want to give Nikhil. So the person name is become Nikhil. Invalid syntax, d dot, okay, dot नहीं लगेगा, person. What I should change, I want to change the value to Nikhil, and then I get the value is changed for me. So these are the simple operations are performed with dictionary shell, and it's useful in the scenarios when you have something in a large amount of data and you can perform some operation very easily. So in these scenarios this type of key and value pairs are very easily and widely used. So if this video is helpful for you, so you can share with your friend. And sorry for this type of mistakes, like it is very perform very easy in this mistakes are happen, unfortunately, because I am also in a learning stage and I'm tried my best to give you best. So just I hope you understand the fundamental concept of dictionary. So thank you guys for watching my video.